Very important function is to add a new member to our midst, and we have a very good position, a person in Vimla Pinto, Advocate Vimla Pinto. I would like Rohit, please escort her onto the dais. Can you move so that one this thing we can, yeah. You move to this side. You come here. Yeah. Please come. I would request Past President Prem Kurian to introduce Vimla Pinto. He is the person who has proposed her as to become a member of the club.
Good evening, Acting President Cherian Baby, our Secretary Gagi, Speaker for the evening, Mr. Prasad Chandran, former Chairman and Managing Director BASF India Limited, fellow Rotarians and Sandhya, and all those who are attending this virtual meeting. I am really privileged to introduce to you Vimla Pinto, my co-president during the year 2016-17. And indeed very happy that she will be inducted as a member to our club this evening. Vimla was born and brought up in Delhi. Her late father, Mr. A.S. Pinto, retired as the head of the Delhi Electricity Supply Board and then the technical advisor to the Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. While in Delhi, her mother regularly volunteered service with Mother Teresa and was also recognized by the then Prime Minister, Srimati Indira Gandhi, for her humanitarian services. Vimla completed her schooling at the Presentation Convent and graduated in philosophy from St. Stephen's College, New Delhi. She was awarded the All India Philosophical Congress Gold Medal for having topped all the 3 years at the university level. She later obtained a degree in law from Delhi University and started her legal practice at the Delhi High Court in the year 1988. After 2 years, she joined Dua Associates in Delhi, a leading law firm in India. She moved to the Bangalore office of Dua Associates during 1996. She is currently a partner at Dua Associates. Vimla joined Rotary Bangalore Brigades in 2008-2009. The year she was introduced to the club, we may all make note, she took on the responsibility of being the bulletin editor and served as the editor for another term. Vimla has also served as a chairperson, community service for 2 years. She then became the secretary of the club for the year 2015 and 16, and thereafter rose to be the president for the year 2016 and 17. Vimla is a PHF and a major donor to the Rotary Foundation. Yeah, I think we should give her a hand for that. Vimla has been awarded the Rotary International Recognition for excellence in service to humanity in recognition of exemplary humanitarian service consistent with Rotary's motto of service above self in the year 2016 and 17. What's special about Rotary are the lovely memories we gather along the way, she says. Like when Vimla, the club secretary, took her Pekingese Benzo for a weekly meeting. He sat quietly and most well behaved next to one of the Rotarians. Then when one of the latecomers tried to quietly open the door and enter the meeting room, Benzo barked at the top of his voice, giving a Rotarian a fright. He least expected a dog there, and with that, all the others turned to look at him. What a welcome he got, and everyone had a good laugh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to present to you Rotarian Vimla Pinto.
Good evening, everybody. Acting President Rotarian Cherian, Secretary Gargi, fellow Rotarians and guests. It is the duty of every Rotary Club to add new members from time to time so that we may not only increase our usefulness and influence as a club, but also to extend the spirit of Rotary through the community. And today we are going to welcome to our ranks and admit to membership Mrs. Vimla Pinto. Mrs. Pinto, you are being elected to membership in this club because your fellow members believe you to be a worthy representative of your calling and also to possess qualities that will permit you to exemplify the spirit of Rotary in your public, business, social, and private life. I wish to impress upon you that, as you already know, you are not only being admitted to a Rotary Club of Cantonment, but to a worldwide organization, and by virtue of your membership of this club, you will be welcome to fellowship of any Rotary Club in the world. The honor and privilege of Rotary membership carries with itself duties and obligations. As in a previous club, you will be expected to attend this club's meetings regularly and to perform your share of club service and to place your knowledge and talents at the disposal of this club. I do not think I need to explain to you, being a past president of another Rotary club, the object of Rotary and how we judge ourselves with the four-way tests. Apart from the fact that you will be expected to attend the club's meeting, you will also be carrying the principles of Rotary in the daily life of the community. I now request all members to please rise. Rotarian Vimla Pinto, in the name of Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment, I now formally admit you to membership in this club and affix to your lapel, and emblem. Fellow Rotarians, I commend you that our newest member, Rotarian Vimla Pinto, who will be loaned a classification shortly, and charge all of you to welcome her into the midst of this club. Now we have the formal induction, which is handing over of the pin and the rules and the privileges of our club.
Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so very much, respected President, Secretary, the Speaker of the day, my co-president, Mr. Kurian, Rotarian Kurian, and everyone else. Thank you so very much for the very warm welcome extended to me in this club. I look forward to working with you all in service of humanity, and to tell you the truth, I'm thrilled to be here. Thank you so much.
Let me send you with a rose and welcome to this club. Thank you very much.